Are you a young man who is attracted to older women? Do you want to know how to seduce them and win their hearts? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will share some tips and tricks on how to successfully seduce older women. First and foremost, it's important to understand that older women are experienced and confident. They know what they want and aren't afraid to go after it. So you need to be confident as well. Strike up a conversation with them. Show genuine interest in what they have to say. Ask them questions about their lives and listen attentively. This will make them feel special and appreciated. Another important aspect of seducing older women is to be a gentleman. Offer to buy them a drink, hold the door open for them, and be respectful at all times. These small gestures can go a long way in making a good impression. Don't be afraid to show your fun and playful side. Older women appreciate a good sense of humor and someone who can make them laugh. So don't be afraid to crack a joke or two and let your personality shine. Physical touch is also crucial when it comes to seducing older women. Don't be afraid to casually touch their arm or shoulder when talking to them. This will create a connection and make them feel desired. Finally, when it comes to seducing older women, it's important to be mature and show them respect. Don't play games or act immaturely. Show them that you are responsible and capable of having a serious relationship.